Does your lawn mower struggle with those tight corners and hard-to-reach places? A weed eater can help fix those imperfections. But with so many brands, designs, and power sources to choose from, which weed eater is the right tool for you? There are many products available to choose the best weed eaters for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best weed eaters for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Husqvarna 128LD. Users rave over the Husqvarna 128LD's weed-eating power. With a 17-inch cutting path, 28cc engine, straight shaft design, and 0.095-inch thick trimmer line, power should come as no surprise with this weed-eating monster. Don't worry about stopping your work to restock this tool's trimmer line. The Husqvarna 128LD boasts a tap-and-go line release feature. Give the trimmer head a quick tap when the line is running low, and you'll be on your way. And did we mention this tool is more than just a weed eater? The Husqvarna 128LD is compatible with 3 separate click-on attachments: edger, pole saw, and cultivator. Tackle multiple jobs at once while saving space in your tool shed. Number 2. Craftsman CMCST910M1. The Craftsman CMCST910M1 weed eater is powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, weighs only 6.3 pounds, and is priced much lower than the Works WG191. It also has an on-demand string system at the click of a button, a 2-speed control system to extend battery life, and a convenient VersaTrack hook compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, sold separately. Need to edge around the flower beds? Convert this crafty weed eater into an edger with ease. Satisfied operators praise this weed eater's impressive battery life, good balance, and increased user comfort with the adjustable shaft. Number 3. Scott's Outdoor Power Tools LST02012s. A lightweight and comfortable weed eater? The Scott's Outdoor Power Tools LST02012s weighs only 5 pounds, the lightest weed eater on our list, and is equipped with an adjustable handle and shaft for maximum user comfort. How much lighter is this Scott's weed eater compared to the competition? Well, the LST02012s is approximately 65% lighter than the 14.6-pound Craftsman CMX GTA MD30SA. Bonus features. The Scott's Outdoor Power Tools LST02012s features a weed whacker edge guard, so you don't have to worry about slicing your precious plants by mistake. Already a fan of Scott's Outdoor Power Tools? The LST02012's weed eater comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery compatible with all Scott's 20-volt lithium-ion products. When your other tools run out of juice, you'll have this battery on hand to carry on the workflow. Or if you already have the Scott's 20-volt lithium-ion battery sitting in your tool shed, you might be able to save a few bucks if you find a sale for the weed eater alone. Number 4. Best budget. Greenworks Corded Electric 5.5 amp 15-inch string trimmer. Just because a weed whacker comes at a budget price, that doesn't mean you have to forego great features, as this corded electric offering from Greenworks proves. Plug the tool into an outdoor-rated extension cord up to 100 feet in length. No smelly gasoline fumes or worrying about a battery running down before you finish. Suited to a small to medium yard, this string trimmer's head easily pivots for use as a trimmer or an edger, doubling its versatility. It has a 15-inch cutting swath and uses 0.065-inch string, which automatically advances as the exposed string wears down. When you need to reload the string, you can use pre-filled spools or rewind bulk string onto the spool that comes with the tool. However, you cannot use heavy-weight string with this weed eater, and if you choose to rewind the spool rather than replace it, it can be a bit tricky to do correctly. The handle telescopes from 40 inches to 50 inches, and the grip is also adjustable, so you can set the weed whacker to fit your own height, making it comfortable to use for lengthy gardening sessions. Its 5.5 amp motor runs smoothly and quietly and has enough power to quickly cut through grass and non-woody weeds. At only 7 pounds, this is a reasonably lightweight string trimmer, so it won't wear you down before the job is through. Number 5. Best Splurge. DEWALT 60-volt cordless attachment-capable string trimmer kit. If you use your string trimmer frequently and want lots of power as well as useful features, then you'll appreciate the DEWALT Weed Whacker, which is a cordless model running off a 60-volt battery. That's a lot of power, although it does add to the overall weight of the product. The high-efficiency brushless motor requires no maintenance to keep on running smoothly and fairly silently. There's a 2-speed variable control trigger, so you can turn it up high when you need maximum power for chewing through brush or tall grass, or turn it down low to extend the battery run time. You can even adjust the cutting width between 15 and 17 inches. The weed whacker comes with 0.080-inch string, but the tool can also use 0.095-inch string if you need something even more heavyweight. To advance more string, just bump the weed eater lightly against the ground. The quick load spool makes it easy to refill the string once you run out. If you want even more versatility from this weed eater, you'll like its universal attachment capability, which means you can purchase a wide variety of attachments from DEWALT or other companies to transform the weed whacker into a brush cutter, hedge trimmer, pole saw, blower, tiller, and more. It comes with a 60-volt DEWALT battery that is compatible with other tools from this company, as well as a charger. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.